So this is a 2017 Subaru Impreza with 50,000 miles on it. These are original spark plugs, and the customer actually requested to replace them. You can see that the valve cover has got a little oil passage up on the top threads. Nothing too major at this point in time. But you can see the ground strap on this has updated technology, and you see this type of ground strap done in race car engines sometimes. And then you see where they are these iridium? Yeah, I think these are laser iridiums, and you can see how they actually weld the iridium to the ground strap. Isn't that crazy? Subaru OEM spark plug, NGK, that's what we prefer, baby, OEM. And the spark plug gap looks good, but kudos to this guy who wants to keep his thing tuned. Got NOS.